In this video, we will be going over how to use the chat room on 1Cademy. The chat room feature can be used to send text, images, or specific nodes. All 1Cademy users have access to the chat room, and all the messages sent can be seen by every user. This fosters a collaborative environment and allows users to easily communicate. To access the chat room, go to the sidebar on the left side of the screen and click on Chat. To send a message, simply type what you would like to say and click Message to post it. As you can see here, I have successfully posted this message. To send an image in the chat, click on the Image button and a file browser window will appear, allowing you to choose an image to send. To post a specific node, first make sure that the node you want to post is open. Then, click on the Node button. Next, click on the node that you would like to post. Now, the node I wanted to link has been successfully posted in the chat room for all users to see. To navigate to nodes that other users have tagged, click on the node titles, and the node will appear on your map. That is how you use the chat room on 1Cademy. For more information, please refer to the 1Cademy help notes.